Hey, welcome back. So I hope everyone is having a beautiful Friday. If you hear yard work in the background, it's because I do have my windows open and it is currently 80 degrees with a 57% humidity in the grow space. And I am telling you, the ladies are loving it. Let me zoom you back out there. The ladies are loving it. They're all just enjoying this course, increasing the watering for me, but I am enjoying it. I love to love my orchids. Today, however, as I'm watering, before I do water them, I thought we would do a quick update on the K-Lite orchid and the MSU orchid. So about 2 months ago, I believe it was around the 26th, I think, of May. So maybe not 2 months ago. It hasn't been that long. But let me do a quick update anyway. So I did take these two rocks out of this one because I initially had it sitting here because she was trying to lean out of the pot. She's kind of stabilized herself, so I'm just going to let her do what she needs to do. She does not have a lot of active root growth, but she does have some. There's a new one there. There's one going down in there, and I don't see any in the pot. But if you look right there, that is still a root, if I can get it to focus, right there. It doesn't have a growy tip on it, but it is still growing. And then the K-Lite is going to appear to be doing better because look at her root growth. But I can also chuck this up to, this one was growing this new leaf when we repotted, and she is now working on her second leaf, whereas the MSU did not start this leaf until about a week or two after I repotted them. So as of right now, it appears that the K-Lite one is doing better, is stronger. But again, this was the strongest of the two orchids that came out of the pot. So we will have to see as the season develops. I am not going with the K-Lite quite yet. I feel like MSU is going to push through. And for those of you who are worried or might be thinking, you know, one grow season may not be enough, I totally agree. So I am going to continue this experiment until either the K-Lite takes this one down or it just keeps growing and we can kind of see that there is no effect on the Phalaenopsis, this hybrid Phalaenopsis. Not saying it doesn't work with, you know, all of them or it'll bring one down, not the other. We're just focusing, or I'm just focusing on these two because they did come out of the same pot. They are the same hybrid, same bloom, same everything. The only difference is this one gets K-Lite when I water her with fertilizer, and this one gets the MSU. So leave your thoughts below as far as how you think the girls are doing so far. And like I said, I'm loving the root activity on her. I'm not going to lie. But I think Miss MSU here, next time we look at them, which I'll probably won't do an update again until August. Unless you guys want one later on in July, let me know. But we will definitely do one in August and see how they look. But I think MSU is going to play catch up with those roots by that time. With that, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you later.